Yeah, Swan Lake.
Hi, this is this.
Big family of swans. Yeah.
Yeah,
This is a huge family of swans right here.
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh!
What's going on, everybody? This is OutdoorTrey, and I'm here with my beautiful baby right here. And we here at Swan Lake, looking at the beautiful swans, man. How you like the swans, mamas?
Good.
Good? Oh, man. I'm not even gonna lie. There were swans in our pathway, and I turned us right around. So we going the opposite way, but y'all hear this. It's a whole family of swans. Hold on. Whoa, look. You see the swans?
Yeah.
Wow.
What about black ones and swan? What about black ones and swan?
The black ones?
Yeah.
You like the black ones?
No, I like the white ones.
This is a whole family of swans. I think swans go. How many swans is in the family, mamas? 200?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's 200. That's a whole family. Low key, they was over here fighting. Don't she just love Swan Lake? Swan Lake is definitely one of my favorite places in South Carolina. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This swans walking around and stuff. You see the squirrels? Look, mamas. Whoa.
Can I touch it?
You wanna touch the squirrels?
Too bad.
Hmm?
Why is she too bad?
I don't know.
How did she want to leave? How did she want to touch me?
They wanna catch you. I'm not even gonna lie, like my daughter's real brave. I love the Swan Lake. I love being around the swans, but I don't get close up. Her on the other hand, she like to get close up. She like to get close to the swans. I don't like to get close to the swans. Well, we passing by some swans right now.
Daddy, what?
These are the trumpet swans. Ooh. See the trumpet swans?
You gotta be quiet.
No, you don't gotta be quiet. I think those was the trumpet swans. They had the black beak, so it gotta be. Yeah. We are now entering the chocolate garden. Whoa, the chocolate garden. You see that lizard? Whoa. I wonder what kind of lizard was that. That was... You like the smell? Hmm?
I smell this.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't smell nothing.
You don't smell nothing? There go the chocolate seat. You want to take a picture on the chocolate chair?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go take a picture on the chocolate chair. These are maintained by Sumter. The chocolate vegetable garden. The garden contains food and flowers such as chocolate corn, chocolate cherry tomatoes, chocolate mini bell peppers, and chocolate nasturtium, and brown basil. Whoa, look at all these ants.
Why are these ants showing flowers?
I don't know, but I've never seen ants and flowers. That's pretty dope. Whoa. Man, it's starting to rain right now. It's always raining out here, but It was a good day. It was a good day. Got to see some. What did you see? Some swans?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the turtles? You see the turtles over there? Got the turtles for y'all. How to zoom in. Sure. Yeah, let's go. Let's go get in the car. OutdoorTrey, man. We got to cut the Swan Lake visit short because it's raining right now. You want to see the swan? That one don't work, mamas. You ready? Let's go. OutdoorTrey out. Say OutdoorTrey out. OutdoorTrey out, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go.